Welcome back, YouTubers. Thank you for joining me. This is a 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 3.5 liter turbo engine. We're going to do the spark plugs and ignition coils on it. First, you got to remove the oil fill cap to remove the engine cover. Once you do that, you want to put the cap back on. Don't want to drop anything in there. Then remove the foam covering the high pressure fuel pump. Go ahead and unplug the high pressure fuel pump because it's overlapping the last coil back there. You don't want to damage or break any sensors. Then there's going to be these 3 7mm bolts holding the ignition coils down. Go ahead and undo those 7mm. And then there's these 3 red retaining clips that holds the ignition coils down. Once you do both of those, the 7mm and the red retaining clips to the harness, you should be able to pull the ignition coils out. Once you're ready to remove your spark plug, you're going to need a 16mm socket or a 5/8. Make sure it's a deep socket. You don't want to break any spark plugs in there. Go ahead and loosen it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. I've already done the process. I like to use the old ignition coil as a tool to grab the spark plug out. Go ahead and repeat the process for the other 2 on the driver's side. Next, we're going to move on to the passenger side. You're going to have 3 more on this side. Same thing, repeat the process. Red clips retaining the harness. 3 7mm bolts holding the ignition coils down. Go ahead and use your 16mm deep socket again. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Just hand tight. If you don't have a torque wrench, just hand tight. We don't need to break any spark plugs in the engine. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Happy wrenching. Be safe. Thank you.